Are you looking for a quality welding machine that is portable? Check out our top 5 picks for the best portable welding machines. Whether you are a professional or a DIY welder, we have the perfect machine for you. So what are you waiting for? So let's get started with the list. List No. Deco Pro 200 amp MMA portable welding machine. The Deco Pro 200 amp MMA portable welding machine is specially designed and developed for professional and DIY who are in the construction industry. The inverter power supply with 2 wires input and 2 wires output, high frequency startup and stable arc. The closed loop feedback control, built-in fan and ultra-low voltage intelligent regulator on the machine. Stable output voltage. Easy to start in unstable voltage area. It features overcurrent protection and overload protection to ensure safety. Excellent arc stability. Pure copper core cable and inverter welder reduces the damage of copper and iron. It switch AC to DC, then produce the proper voltage and current. The output current is stable and the power is low, which can effectively save the use of electricity. It improves the efficiency of the welding. List number 2, Tooliom 135A 110 volt and 220 volt portable welding machine. For the professional who needs a reliable solution, the Tooliom 135A portable welding machine is a good choice, and it's also suitable for beginner users. It adopts IGBT inverter power system, can be used for mild steel and cast iron as well as hard surfacing. And with digital display and trouble indicate function, it is easy to operate. The welding machine is designed for both AC and DC power input. It is compatible with 110 and 220 volt and can change the work under different changes of voltage without any noise and delay. Locate the ground clamp with cable and connect the plug on the cable end to the positive connector on the welder. With high-speed control and digital display, it can avoid the transients of arc length and start his welding quickly, saving time and energy. In order to ensure the stability of discharging welding current, it has adopted excellent aluminum cylinder structure. List number Wrdlosy portable welding machine. The WorldSet welding machine is a 2-phase AC power inverter that has no contact with the gas, oil, or other consumable, such as fuel and air. Instead, serves as an equipment requires large energy storage, strong anti-oxidation power supply. This 110V welder is equipped with a high-power 440-volt IGBT inverter. It can weld steel, mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum in all kinds of thicknesses up to 3 mm and 0.12 inch, as long as you use our special fluxes with it. The welding gap is adjustable from 0 to 3 mm and 0.12 inch. MMA 250A portable welder is a high-quality welding machine that can be operated easily by you. This product offers high quality and stable performance in terms of welding metal, which is widely used by the manufacturers to join different kinds of metal components together. In addition to being suitable for the use in welding of steel and non-ferrous metals, aluminum alloy, magnesium alloy, etc. Suitable for welding of various grades of steel plate and plate materials, including thick plate. The welding equipment mainly used to carry out general industrial welding. List 4. Etosha MIG Welder 160A portable welding machine. The Etosha MIG welding machine has all that you need to do precise, and easy to repair welds. The wire feed welder uses a convenient flux core wire that releases metal inert gas while welding to prevent oxidation of the welded parts. No need to carry heavy cylinders. The dedicated 110 AC 60 Hz power input allows you to weld mild steel up to 1 4 inches plate. Overheat protection, insulation protection. The machine will stop automatically when overheated. Can be widely used in car and farm maintenance, metal processing, and thin material precision welding. Featuring a 200A power supply and 160A output, this wireless MIG machine can weld most welding wire types in the suitable current. It features 0.030 inches or 0.035 inches flux cored MIG electrodes that release metal inert gas while welding to prevent oxidation of the welded parts. With an AC adapter, You can freely choose your own power voltage and frequency to work on mild steel up to 1 inch thick. This MIG welder is perfect for anyone doing home repair jobs or industrial use. List 9. Yeswelder Portable Welding Machine. The YSW80 can be utilized for a wide range of applications, from home repairs to industry applications. This is a professional portable MIG welder, built to be light, efficient, and reliable. It is a great welder for auto body work, installing brackets, building fences, and other home projects. It is a 110V welder and comes with 110V power cord. It is also a bargain-priced welder and will make your welding tasks easier than ever before. Durable and portable, the welders for home and yard come with 2 nozzles, a gas regulator, and an accessory kit that are designed for heavy-duty use. You can thus use it for various projects, from building a fence to making a birdhouse, according to the manufacturer. You can work with a number of metals, including stainless steel, galvanized steel, copper, aluminum, and more. Depending on the type of nozzle you use, there are also 2 reflectors available for most projects, one for thin materials and one for thicker materials.